Imagine this, a colossal furnace, burning millions of times hotter than the fiercest fire ever witnessed on Earth. A place so dense that a single teaspoon of its matter would outweigh entire skyscrapers. This is no myth or fantasy, it's a star. But here's the real question. What's happening inside that blinding orb of light hanging in our sky? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the incredible processes shaping stars, but also why their secrets hold the key to our very existence. Now, let's dive into the heart of the cosmos, the ultimate factory of the universe. Think of the sun. For billions of years, it has lit up our world, provided warmth, and made life possible. But what drives its ceaseless brilliance? What keeps it alive? To answer that, we need to journey deep inside, far beyond what the naked eye can see. But beware, this isn't just a story of light and life, it's one of chaos and destruction, creation and collapse. In the heart of a star, we find not just the answers to its shining existence, but also the ultimate fate of everything we know. It all begins with hydrogen, the most abundant and simplest element in the universe. Inside a young star, gravity works its magic, pulling enormous clouds of hydrogen gas inward. As the pressure builds, temperatures soar to unimaginable extremes, over 15 million degrees Celsius in the sun's core. Here's where the true magic happens: nuclear fusion. Tiny hydrogen atoms, under the weight of this unimaginable pressure, collide and fuse into helium. It's a violent yet delicate dance. When they merge, they release an enormous burst of energy, like a tiny nuclear bomb going off repeatedly. This energy is what makes a star shine. But hold on, why doesn't the star just explode outright? Why doesn't all that energy burst out uncontrollably? The answer lies in a delicate balance. Gravity, pulling inward, and the energy from fusion, pushing outward, are locked in a cosmic tug-of-war. It's this balance that keeps the star stable, for now. Every star's life is a ticking clock. It all depends on its size. For a star like the Sun, this balance will last billions of years. But larger stars, those giants blazing in distant galaxies, burn their fuel at a terrifying pace. Their lives are short, brilliant, and end in spectacular fashion. Here's a fascinating twist. As the hydrogen in the core depletes, the star starts fusing heavier elements. Helium becomes carbon, carbon becomes oxygen, and so on, creating elements up to iron. But why stop at iron? The answer is as dramatic as it is final. Fusion releases energy for elements lighter than iron, but forging iron consumes energy. It's like hitting a cosmic wall. When a star reaches this point, its balance collapses. Now the real drama begins. Picture this. The core of the star collapses under its own immense gravity. The outer layers, with nothing to hold them back, rush inward. What happens next depends on the star's size. For stars like the Sun, this collapse ends gently. The outer layers are shed, creating a beautiful nebula, a glowing shell of gas surrounding a dense core called a white dwarf. But for the giants, it's a different story entirely. In massive stars, the collapse triggers a supernova, a colossal explosion that outshines entire galaxies. It's here, in the fiery chaos of a supernova, that the heaviest elements in the universe, like gold and uranium, are forged. Think about this. The gold in your jewelry, the iron in your blood, and even the calcium in your bones were all created in the heart of an exploding star. You, quite literally, are made of stardust. But the story doesn't end with the explosion. The remnants of these massive stars become some of the most fascinating objects in the universe. If the remaining core is small enough, it becomes a neutron star, a city-sized object so dense that a single sugar cube of its material would weigh as much as Mount Everest. But if the core is even larger, it becomes a black hole, a region of space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. These are the silent, mysterious remnants of the universe's most powerful events, lurking in the darkness. Now you might be wondering, why does any of this matter to us here on Earth? The answer is profound. Without stars, there would be no planets, no life, no you or me. Stars are the cosmic forges where the building blocks of everything we know are created. And there's more. By studying stars, we unlock the secrets of the universe itself, its origins, its evolution, and perhaps even its ultimate fate. Here's the big takeaway. Stars aren't just distant lights twinkling in the night sky. They are the universe's storytellers, its creators, and its destroyers. Every atom in your body has journeyed through the heart of a star. Every sunrise you've ever seen is a glimpse into the incredible processes shaping our cosmos. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, you're not just seeing light. You're witnessing the history of the universe, written across billions of years. And perhaps, somewhere out there, a new star is just beginning its story. If this journey through the heart of a star amazed you, imagine what other secrets the universe holds. Hit that subscribe button and join us as we uncover more mysteries of the cosmos. And tell us in the comments, what fascinates you most about the stars? Until next time, keep looking up.